How to link Payoneer to PayPal. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to create an account on Payoneer and also to your PayPal account. So this is your Payoneer, and to link a card, all you have to do first is just simply get or order a card from Payoneer. Okay, you must have your card with you to link to other, payment method. So how are you going to order a card? So you just have to go to this payment customer service to know how to order or get the card. But the very first thing here, you should be reminded that you cannot order a card without a balance on your Payoneer account. So you must have at least 100 USD to order a card. Once you have your card with you and the details, you can now simply use it anywhere, especially if you want to link your card details or card account or bank account to your PayPal. So go to your PayPal and then you will see there add a card or bank. So tap this one and then select from any of this credit or bank account and enter the information from your Payoneer account. Okay, so it should be matched here. The bank or the card that you have created or ordered from Payoneer should be the same details with your PayPal. Okay, or same details with the account or bank account that you have logged in or enter here to your PayPal. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.